Hi my loves, welcome to my IGTV video. I'm going to show you how I apply the new serum foundation, starting off with swatching the shade Sun Beige, Warm Light 10, and lastly the Honey Beige. So as you can see, the Honey Beige and the Sun Beige is super bright, and I mean very bright for my skin tone, so I've decided to go in with the middle shade, which is the Warm Light 10. So I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm going to use it to apply the foundation all over my face. And by the way, I did not apply anything prior to the foundation application because this foundation contains active skin brightening and nourishing ingredients, including the vitamin C, E, and antioxidants. So now I'm just taking a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend my foundation so that I get, or rather achieve, a flawless looking foundation. So you just gotta keep on blending. And by the way, this foundation is super lightweight, so it applies so easily on the skin. So now as you can see, my dark marks were still showing, so I've decided to go in with a bit more of the foundation because it has a light to medium coverage, so I definitely wanted to build up my coverage to a medium coverage. So now you're just going to take your beauty blender again and blend until you get the flawless looking foundation. And now we are done blending, my loves. Wow, this is the finished look using the new Avon Serum Foundation in the shade Warm Light 10. Please do let me know what you think in the comments down below. Please like my video and share. Thank you for watching, my loves. Bye.